Yeah, trying to build a system like the one that we are doing in LifeChamps is a quite complex procedure, meaning that we have to involve different technologies, different people, different teams, but also involve the stakeholders, the end users, when we have to design the solution. And trying to meet the needs of the stakeholders even creates more requirements to us, and this needs to be taken into account. Meanwhile, taking into account that we need to develop AI algorithms and integrate them in our systems, this means that we need data, a lot of data. And while this is the case, we have to face difficulties when it comes to ethics, to collect sensitive personal data from patients, especially when it comes to older cancer survivors, which is the case in LifeChamps. This brings us to the situation where you don't have enough data, you cannot really get people to give this data to you very easily, and they cannot use technology very easy. So in that sense, this was the main difficulty in our case, to collect all this data and train the algorithms. So in order to decide which kind of AI algorithms are more suitable to the clinical questions that we have designed in the first place, we had to know what are the data. And this was the main issue. So after we got the data, another issue was the data quality. So we had also to check, and we are talking about data that are being collected in real life. Although this is quite rich data, meaning that they are being collected in a very big detail, there are still situations where the data have a lot of noise in them. So in that case, you don't only have the problem of data and availability, but you have also the problem of data quality. And all these matters need to be taken into account when you need to choose the proper AI algorithm for designing your clinical question. And of course, in each step, you need to put in the loop the clinicians in order to better understand your data and also make your AI algorithms more transparent to them. And in the end, these AI algorithms are becoming more acceptable since you integrate the expert knowledge inside let's say the selection of which kind of data you are using or what kind of features you need to produce.